Welcome to Ceramic Tiling 101. In this comprehensive tutorial, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about tiling a wall with ceramic tiles from start to finish. Whether you're a complete beginner tackling your first tiling project or someone looking to sharpen your skills, this video breaks down the entire process in a simple, easy-to-follow way. What you'll learn in this video: how to properly prepare and clean the wall surface before tiling, measuring the wall and planning your tile layout for the best results, choosing the right adhesive and mixing it to the correct consistency, applying adhesive using the correct trowel technique, setting tiles evenly with spacers for consistent gaps, cutting tiles to fit around corners, outlets, and edges, allowing proper drying time before grouting, mixing and applying grout for a smooth, finished look, cleaning excess grout and polishing the tiles for a professional shine. Tools and materials you'll need: ceramic wall tiles, tile adhesive, thin set mortar, notch trowel, tile spacers, tile cutter or wet saw, grout and grout float, sponge and clean water, level and measuring tape, pencil and marker. Tips included. Throughout the video, we share practical tips to help you avoid common mistakes, save time, and achieve a professional-looking finish even if this is your first tiling project. Whether you're renovating your bathroom, kitchen backsplash, or any wall in your home, this step-by-step guide will give you the confidence and knowledge to complete the job like a pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with friends or family planning a similar project. Drop any questions in the comments, we're happy to help.